Welcome back to AI Dynamo, your go-to channel for all things AI. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT 4.0, the latest iteration of OpenAI's groundbreaking language model. So, what exactly is ChatGPT 4.0? ChatGPT 4.0 is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It builds on the strengths of its predecessor, ChatGPT 3.5, and brings several exciting new features to the table. One of the key benefits of ChatGPT 4.0 over ChatGPT 3.5 is its improved accuracy and coherence in generating responses. It can handle more complex queries and provide more detailed and relevant answers. This makes it incredibly useful for a wide range of applications, from customer service to content creation. Another major advantage is its enhanced ability to understand context. ChatGPT 4.0 can remember previous interactions within a conversation, allowing for more meaningful and contextually accurate responses. This makes interactions feel more natural and human-like. So, what can you use ChatGPT 4.0 for? The possibilities are virtually endless. It's perfect for automating customer support, generating creative writing, assisting with research, providing language translation, and even tutoring in various subjects. Businesses, educators, and individuals can all benefit from the versatility of this AI model. To sum it up, ChatGPT 4.0 represents a significant leap forward in AI technology, offering more accurate, context-aware, and versatile text generation capabilities compared to its predecessor. It's a powerful tool that can enhance productivity, creativity, and communication in countless ways. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to AI Dynamo, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content on the latest in AI technology. See you next time.